In a few minutes, I'm going to show you how I draw Kratos from the God of War games. I will be making a realistic portrait using charcoal, graphite and color pencils and will explain the process simultaneously to you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm drawing this on an A4 paper. Here's the materials I've been using as you can see. So starting with an HB grade pencil, I'm shading this first layer very lightly. Then I'm shading the darker areas with applying more pressure with the same pencil. And I'm blending with a makeup brush as I feel the need. Now I'm applying the details on the face with the same mechanical pencil. I'm going darker with more pressure. I'm using colors for the eyes and the red tattoo. This is the first experience for me as I'm trying this for the first time. I have first shaded the dark areas with black pencil and applied red afterwards. I couldn't show it because my camera accidentally stopped. Now for the beard. I have used this technique called indenting. I will show you guys how to apply it. So I have drawn the highlights first with the mechanical pencil and erased it so I get a rough idea for where they will be. Now I have used the tip of the mechanical pencil with the lid completely inside. You guys can use a completely used pen. Anything that doesn't leave a mark but creates depth in the paper. So I pressed along the highlights with the pencil creating depth. Now I will use charcoal pencil with the beard. A high grade graphite pencil will also work. I use it lightly and smudged it using a makeup brush. Now you can see that the highlights are appearing. I used further layers of charcoal according to the light and dark areas. I have also used Tombow mono eraser according to the need. Now for the armor part, which took most of my time and effort, because it was very detailed. Now I use the same indenting technique on the armor for the various scratches and highlights. Some places I have used white gel pen. I have used charcoal for the armor. I have also used the indenting technique on the fur behind the armor. Now for the rest of the skin, I have used the HB mechanical pencil and some other higher grade graphite pencil. I have used the same process on the tattoo as I have showed previously. I shaded from light to dark on the skin using various grades of graphite pencils, matching with the reference. I hope you guys liked the video and the artwork. It took a lot of time and effort to create this video. So if I have given you any value through this video, so please like and subscribe for further more content. Comment down your thoughts on the video and if you want any specific video on any specific topic, so do let me know. So I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, follow me on Instagram. I post my drawing reels there before YouTube. Bye.